Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And now in today's session, we discuss one of the most important function about Excel, which is a PMT. PMT is a financial function which helps us to calculate the loan amount, such kind of loan like personal loan, home loan, business loan, student loan, or other type of loan on which you can calculate your EMI by itself. Then Excel have the feature or function by the name of PMT. What exactly the PMT said? PMT said firstly define the rate of interest, then number of terms, that means time duration, PV, that stands for present value that you gained or financed by owner, FV, which is almost zero, future value, and the type is a 0 or 1. So let me demonstrate how the PMT function works. Now we have some data that we conclude the amount, rate, and time. Now firstly we apply the simple PMT function. We just press PMT, then rate of interest should be divided by 12. Now put the comma and select your time, which is multiplied by 12, which converts the time into month. Then simply minus, that is a negative amount that has been credited. You have to return this amount after certain period of time. So we need to select the amount with minus sign, and now we simply press enter. Now it will calculate the EMI of this amount, which is simply, let me show you again on another values. What we did, PMT, rate of interest should be divided by 12, time multiplied by 12 minus loan amount. Now it will calculate the all EMIs. Now the fact is that what is the hidden feature behind it? What we do if we pay the EMI between 1 to 10, or what we need if we pay the amount after the 10th day of the month, which means if I pay the amount from 11 to 30 days, then what will be the EMI fluctuate? This feature will not show by your bank or financial institution. Now let me apply rate of interest divided by 12, time, it should be into 12, comma, minus loan amount, and what will the present future value. Then of course I have to settle all the loan. I don't want any debt over to me. Then simply the future value should be 0. It means I have to pay all the loan amount as per specified amount. Now if we press the 1, which is show the beginning of the period, that means first day to 10th day, mid of the first day to 10th day, then we simply press 1. Now it should calculate the EMI, this amount, but it will not shown by your owner or by your financer. This is the amount which actually you pay first day to 10th day of every month. Then if I pay EMI third way, equal sign PMT, rate of interest divided by 12, comma, time into 12, comma, minus amount, future value should be 0. I have to settle all my loan at earlier I said. Then simply I press the 0. That means we pay amount, the EMI, after 10th of month. Now see the calculation. This is the value that we gain. Okay. So this is the value that we obtain. So these are the values or amount or EMI that we pay after 10th date of every month. And this is the EMI if I agree to pay the amount between 1 to 10. So you can see the comparison between your EMIs. But unfortunately, our financiers charge the EMI of this amount. So this is the PMT function. Do the practice. See you in next video.